Hi, in this video we are going to see how the HR approval takes place. So here is the HR approval button wherein there are passwords set for each role. So here are the passwords and user IDs. This is for approver HRBP. The user ID is HR and the password is admin, the same one I will going to use. But for the fleet management, it is a different password. You can see you can set a different user ID and different password. I have set a different user IDs, but you can change it. I'll show you how to change it at the end of this video sessions, maybe the 7th video of this series. So now I'll click on this HR approval. So it will show me the user ID and password. Now I'll use HR and admin as the password. Now logging into the system. Actually, we should get two of the requests because we have raised it for 001 and 002. Employee ID 001 and 002. We can see this one of two. On click of this navigation button, it will going to take you to the next request. So now I'm going to approve as a HR. For this employee 001, this is not applicable because this is a new request, so there is no already currently existing one. So new vehicle details, this is a vehicle that is requested by the employee. So I'll just enter as approved. If HR rejects at this point, the request will be closed. It will not go further to anyone, and it will going to notify the employee that your request has been rejected. You may contact the HRBP for more information. And these remarks will be sent to the employee. The HR remarks will be sent. So now I'm going to click on approve. It is approved, is recorded and forwarded to fleet management for further verification and approval. So now there is only one request, that is 002. Now since I am an HR and I am the employee, so I get these emails, car request for your approval. This is going for the fleet management. So it shows that there is a request for you from this employee. This has been approved by the HRBP. So this is for fleet management and this is for employee. So it says your request has been approved by the HRBP and forwarded to fleet management for further verification and approval. They copy CC to the HRBP as well. So this is the submitted request for the employee to. Okay. So now this is done. Now in this case for the employee 002, I'll just reject it. Your action is recorded and employee is notified with your remarks. So there is no further request for HR to approve. So that closes the form. So let's see how this mails works. So your car request is rejected by HRBP. Dear associate, your car is rejected with this remarks. So I just kept as approved as a remark. So it says it shows the same remark here, whatever the HRBP enters at the time of rejecting. So this comes to the employee and the case is closed now. No more request for them. Now the HRBP has approved. Now it comes to the fleet management for approval. Now you can see there must be one request for the fleet management. So FM and admin are the passwords. I'll use this one. So you can see that there is one request come to the employee and the request type is new request. This is not a replacement request. So now the fleet management will going to take action on this. It shows the HRBP remarks as well as the employee remarks. And then fleet manager can enter the remarks here. And you can see this requested vehicle and he will have to select on what is any other vehicle he may wanted to you may wanted to dispatch instead of this one. The fleet manager can change this vehicle or the color and then enter the VIN number. It's 11-digit number. So enter and then approved. So fleet manager will approve it. Ah, sorry, this has been. So it is now your approval is recorded. So this has been fleet manager has approved. Now an email will be generated for the dispatch team to take care of this request further. Your car request is this is the email comes to the employee, the approved by fleet management. You will receive further notification on when to collect your vehicle from the dispatch team. Now to the fleet management, car request is approved for employee. So this is a copy. It goes to the fleet management and copying to the CC to the HR. So once this is done, the fleet management also has a option to in the same screen to send the notification also. There is only one employee eligible for sending the notification, and this is a vehicle requested that has been set by the fleet management. The finally whatever the approval is done by the fleet management will come here as the final vehicle to be delivered. So with these details, so after the vehicle is ready, when the vehicle is ready, the fleet manager also can do this, or with a separate login, send notification to employee. This again maintains the same password as the fleet management. This shows the same screen wherein the dispatch can enter the plate number, and then click on send notification to employee. This sends a notification to employee that your vehicle is ready for delivery, so you can come and collect the vehicle. So I'm clicking on it. It has sent employee is notified to collect the vehicle. So there is no further request. The employee can dispatch can close it. Now once the employee has been delivered with the vehicle, the fleet management can come back here and then mark the dispatch date. Select this request and mark the delivery date. So I'll just say 15th is the delivery date, and then vehicle delivered, and this request will be closed. The vehicle delivery has been marked and this request is closed. No more. This is no more valid. So that particular this is the entire process it goes through. So now the cycle of one vehicle delivery has completed. Now if we go back and do the request for the same employee, that we will see it in a next video. Thank you very much.